Did you know that giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period? This incredibly short sleep time is the least required by any mammal. Because giraffes are vulnerable during the time it would take to get up from lying down, in the wild, they are usually observed sleeping standing up in order to detect and escape from potential predators. Giraffes will sometimes use trees to support themselves, but are mostly in a half-awake state. Even with such minimal sleep, giraffes stay healthy and remarkably active throughout the day.